Hello and welcome to KLM Institute.
Today, we have a heated debate brewing over the latest move by the Tamil Nadu government, and it has stirred up quite a storm. You might have seen the new logo for the state's 2025-26 budget, which has replaced the iconic rupee symbol with a Tamil letter. The decision, backed by Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, is seen as a strong statement of pride for the Tamil language, but it's also causing a significant uproar. The controversy kicked off when the logo, which reads, Ellorkkum Ellaam, everything for everyone, displayed the Tamil letter, Ru, the first letter of the word, rubaai, which stands for rupee in Tamil. This move comes amidst a growing war of words between the Tamil Nadu government and the centre, especially over the three-language policy in schools. While the DMK government is standing firm on prioritizing Tamil, the BJP is not happy with this change. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman even called it an act of regional chauvinism, arguing that it undermines Indian unity. But let's take a closer look. This isn't just about a symbol, it's about a bigger issue that's been brewing for a while. Tamil Nadu has long been vocal about resisting the imposition of Hindi as a compulsory language in schools. The state insists that Tamil and English should be the only languages needed, while some other states in the south also oppose the idea of Hindi being mandatory. The rupee symbol, which was designed by D. Udaya Kumar, a Tamilian, was approved back in 2010. Now, critics argue that by removing it, the DMK government is not only rejecting a national symbol but also ignoring the contributions of a Tamil youth. But the government counters that this is about giving due respect to the Tamil language and culture, especially when faced with growing pressure from the center over Hindi imposition. And while the political debate heats up, people are also questioning, if Tamil Nadu is removing the rupee symbol, should they continue using the Indian currency? After all, the symbol itself is based on the Devanagari script, which represents Hindi. It's an interesting point that's fueling the discussion even further. So, where do we stand? The truth is, there's no harm in learning multiple languages. Kids should have the freedom to learn as many languages as they wish, but it should never be a matter of compulsion. Let's see where this language war heads, and how it affects the unity of the nation. The situation is far from over, and we'll be sure to keep you updated as the story unfolds. That's all for today's news. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from KLM Institute. Stay tuned.